Sue and the Music Show, The Sound of Long U. The letter U makes two sounds. The short sound of U sounds like as in mud, and up. The long sound of U sounds like U, as in cute, and tube. In this book, you will read words that have the long U sound, as in music, blue, fruit, and juice. Sue is in a show. Her class practices many tunes. The music is so pretty. Sue wears a blue dress. She takes her usual place in line. The children sing loudly. They use their best voices. Their parents clap hands. "You are great," they call. Sue is happy and proud. "We did it," Sue says. After the show, the children have a party. There are blue flowers on the table. The parents and children eat cake. They drink fruit juice. What a treat! Sue has a huge smile on her face.